Alright, so it's the next day, and I'm just going to take a look at this in the light. It was kind of dark yesterday when we finished cutting this out. Check this out. If it wasn't ruined before, it's ruined now. Look at this. How cool is that? Pre-channeled. My beautiful floor has been all cut out. The old trunk's taken out because, well, the trunk was rotten anyway, so a little bit of mess right there, but I'm not real worried about it. It's not structural. I'll fix it eventually. It's not relevant to this. So look at that huge gas tank. How awesome is that? I'm gonna need it. Apparently these 4.0s are thirsty. But there she is, the first step in channeling. Cutting out the floor. Everything looks like it's pretty good. It might be a little tight right there, but I can always trim it up just a little bit. Not a big deal. It's good everywhere else. So how cool is that? Look at this. Look at that masterful cut. Look at that. Whole floor right there. Hopefully I'll be able to put it back. But right now, what I'm going to do is do a little clearancing here in the front, because this is still just not sitting the way it should right in here. It's got to come down a couple inches, several. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the grinder or hammer or something and get rid of a bunch of this mess. That sounded really promising.
Did you hear that snap?
Yes, I did. Man, that is not wanting to do it. The blade's probably cooked. So we just got back from Home Depot and decided to upgrade our Sawzall game. Instead of the usual torch blade that we've been using, the 6-inch blade, we got that one. The angry, rowdy older brother of our usual ones that just got out of prison for assault and battery on an old lady. So he's angry and ready to cut through anything according to the packaging. 50 times the life and cut through the space shuttle. Well, apparently it'll cut through cast iron. Apparently, if you're not careful, it'll cut through the earth. Straight through in half. I think if you sling it too hard, it'll probably cut through space and time.
Okay, here we go.
Wow, look at all the mad glitter that thing's making. That looks like that one side is almost all the way through. It's close, boy.
I know. This other side is the one I hadn't done as much. And that's wide open. One side, once we got that out, okay, now I can probably read it. It should go faster. Pull it out like that.
Thing's been a bear. There it is. Nice. Woo. That was hard-fought victory, that was.
Well, you know what?
Worth every penny.
Worth every penny. And that was not as hard as it could have been.
No, that's very true.
Worth every penny.
Oh, I've been so impressed with these torch blades from Home Depot, from these Milwaukee torch blades.
Yeah.
I mean, can't believe
All
how...
the small ones are all we've been using.
I know. I can't believe how well they work. And this
Now
is, of
this
course,
one.
a non-paid advertisement. We bought these with our own money, but my God, they're good blades.
Game day 2.
Oh, yeah.
almost have to take a break. Yeah, it's better when you get it out and you're cutting through solder instead of
weld.
cutting through weld and not just the metal. You thought that was clean?
Did we get a bit of an education on these now?
Yes. Nothing's holding it. Look at that, bud.
Wow, that is, I know, that is crazy. Good Lord, that's a good clean cut. Look at that. That's exactly what it looked like when they put it on.
Yeah.